In this video, we'll look at how you import assets into Premiere Pro. I'll open my project folder and navigate to the save file that we created in the last session. Once the project's loaded, I'll double click in the project panel to open the Import Media dialog box. I'll navigate to the footage that I want to import, select it, and then simply press Import. We can also import multiple files at any given time. To do this, we just simply select and shift select our full selection and press Import. To get a better view of the files that we've imported, we can drag our project window and this will give us some more space. We can also import our footage by folder. To do this, we simply navigate to the folder we'd like to import, select it, and then press Import. When you import a folder, it will not only import the clips inside of it, but it will keep the folder structure that you have outside of the program. When we import our files, we can choose to either use the folder system we have outside of the program or create our own inside the program. To do this, we'll start by importing some more footage to work with. And once that footage has been imported, we'll create a new bin. We'll do that by pushing the new bin icon at the bottom of the project panel and then giving that bin a sensible name. We're going to use Fly on the Wall, and we're going to use this bin to sort some of our footage. We can also import multiple folders together. To do this, we'll do it in the same way that we imported multiple files, where we'll double click to open up the dialog box, navigate to the folders we want, click the first folder we want, and shift click our full selection. We can organise our folders in whatever way we want, but a good rule of thumb is to try and keep it tailored to your own project. So this could be our music, sound effects, voiceovers, video clips, or whatever your project actually needs. This concludes the session on importing assets into Premiere. So we'll now save the project and we'll carry on with it next time.